What's going on, world? Today I want to do a tabletop review, an ottoman top review on my carry concealed weapon, which is a Springfield XD9, so compact, chambered in 9mm. All my weapons have been safety checked, but of course, mags over there. I just wanted to do it since I done had it for a little over a year now. I think I can make a, solid judgment on it. And when you purchase it, it comes with a nice little case. See, it done collect some dust. Actually, I had dust on it when I got it. Inside, you'll find lock and cleaning brush, just outside the waistband holster, and speed loader, and 2 mags, as well as the firearm itself, with instructions, a manual, warranty, so on and so on. The mags one holds 16 rounds. See if I can get it in focus. I'm trying. 16 rounds. Another holds 13, if I'm not mistaken. One holds 13. It's a nice firearm. I done put somewhere between, I say 750 to 950 rounds through it. If I had any failures, I'll say 2. But it was when my girl was, my fiance now was shooting. And I really don't know what happened, because I tried to get the rounds fired. So I don't know exactly what she did. Maybe she didn't rack the slide fully or whatever, but those was my 2 flaws with the weapon. I like it. Springfield get a lot of, shit, but it is what it is. You get that with all firearms. If you're not a Glock, you're gonna get some bad talk. Like I said, I enjoy the weapon. I'm fairly efficient with it. Got a little wear and tear on it now, and I did some little cosmetics to it to bring out the Springfield Armory and everything else. And it got its dings. Once again, overall, it's a nice firearm. I'm ready to upgrade now, since I done had it, like I said, for over a year. Got my eyes set on, for carry conceal anyway, 6-hour SP 2022. I think group founded those, and full size. I'm liking the Century TP9 SAs. Excuse me. Just inexpensive, and I like the look of them. While other people got they disapprovals of it. If I had to pick another flaw on the weapon, not to be rambling, I had to pick another flaw, it'd have to be the holster. Now, I tried to put it on here. Now it fits, it does everything it's supposed to, but the retention on here is no joke. I will pull my pants up to my chest just pulling out of that holster. So it holds well. That's one thing we will never have a problem with, the retention. Me, it just holds a little too well. But yet, in all, it's a good gun. Haven't failed me yet. Haven't needed it in that dire situation. Thank goodness. But until then, I hope it holds up like it's been holding up. Okay, I think I'll make that the end of my video. Like, comment, subscribe. Until then, thanks for watching. 1.